Our roof is the original roof. The house is about 24 plus years old. So if you looked at my roof before, you would see some discoloration, some drying out of shingles. Knowingly, you would look at it and say, they need a new roof. With Maxx being a natural product and Ohio State University being involved and Battelle Labs, it just felt like the perfect solution for us. The nice thing was I didn't have to worry about my dogs, like would I have to not let them out for an hour or so? Everything was completely natural and safe. So when they came out to apply the Maxx product, it was maybe 2 hours. You didn't know they were there. You might hear them walking on the roof, but basically very simple process. Now it looks like it's a little deeper color. It looks like it's had like a conditioning treatment. That's the way I would describe it. I'm just really thrilled about the whole process. So yeah, I'll be sharing that information with everybody I know.